Hi, how are you? Today we are going to draw a very nice emoji. You can see that we have drawn previously a bigger circle for this purpose. You can use different kind of instruments, but here I've used this compass to draw the circle. Alright, let's the drawing begin. It's a man, angelic smile, and he has the angelic circle on top. Let's draw the bigger circle on top here. Okay. And parallel to that one, let's draw another circle. Okay. As you know, this is a freehand drawing, so this is not 100% accurate, but that's the beauty of the freehand sketch. So let's connect the points here. All right. Now we are going to draw the eyes. It's like little bit Nike shape, but upside down. Okay. You can see the other one. And a big smile in his face. So in the middle it's little broader, and the side this is a pointy end in the left or right side. We can fill up the space in the middle with the use of the marker and make it pure black or totally dark. All right, and the eyes, those are closed, but definitely its expression is a big smile, as you can see easily watching from the drawing. And the top of the head, you can see the angelic circle. We're going to draw this color as a blue one. Okay, so let's put the blue color right now. Okay, this is all about outlines and the colors, which is clearly defines the different types of expressions usually while we draw something. So we're going to color inside of these two parallel lines of the whole circle. One is on the outside border and the one is in the inside border. Okay, so the blue coloring is done. Now we're going to put the bright color to draw inside the circle and define the whole space. The face here you can see has a very bright color. Okay, as you can see, the fill up and the drawing is in progress as I'm going to completion of the whole drawing. This is gradually becoming a colorful and nice one, the more expressive. All right, so this is a very nice combination. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe the channel and put the bell icon on to get the new updates. You can also browse through the playlist and select from different categories your own choices and go forward to start learning from today. Thank you so much. Have a good day.